Okay, so most of the people have joined, so let us start with the class. Vivek Mehta, 74 number.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible to you clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Were you present in the last class?
Yes, ma'am.
जी, क्या किया था बता सकते हो? If you are comfortable.
yes, sure.
हाँ.
लास्ट में हमने वो एरे के लिए चेक किया था मल्टीप्लिकेशन.
Yes, very good. Matrix.
मैट्रिक्स के लिए 2 by 2 मैट्रिक्स.
Yes, 2 by 2 matrix it was, having the same elements. All 4 elements are same, and for that we have discussed whether it is a group or not, right? Very good. Brijesh by 64 number. What is the surname? Ladavia.
Yes, madam.
Yes, the surname is
Ladvaiya.
Okay, બહુ લાડવૈયા છો તમે? Okay, jokes apart. ग्रुप की कौन सी प्रॉपर्टीज है चारों की चारों बता सकते हो आप?
Closure property, associative property.
Very good.
Then એના પછી કઈ inverse ના પેલા
हाँ.
પેલી કઈ
પેલી
નામ યાદ નથી આવતું મેડમ.
હિન્ટ આપો એના વિશે તો હું નામ આપું.
ઈ વાળી છે ને.
અચ્છા, ઈ વાળી આઈડેન્ટિટી કહેવાય ને?
હા, આઈડેન્ટિટી
element, existence of identity element. So any algebraic structure A star, where A is a non-empty set and star is a binary operation, is called a group if it satisfies 4 properties. First one is closure, second one associativity, third one existence of identity, and the fourth one is existence of inverse. Right? These 4 properties we have seen, and 3 examples we have considered. Today we will try one more example so that idea about the group gets clear, and after that I will stop the group topic. So you must clear about this last example, and I am giving you this example to try by yourself, and then I will what you can say, consider the solution of it. I will discuss about the solution, but right now you just let me know. I am giving you the presentation file. Just wait. You just let me know whether you are able to see the presentation file or not. Yes, is it visible to all of you?
No.
Just wait.
No, ma'am.
Just wait. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, thank you. So this is what the example which we have considered in the last class. Today I wanted to discuss, check whether the set S of all ordered pairs AB, A comma B, means this is the element of R2 now. Okay, so of real numbers for which A is not equal to 0, means जो first coordinate है वो कभी 0 नहीं होगा, that you have given the condition. With respect to operation star, and star is defined as A comma B one element, C comma D another element, and star is defined as the first coordinate is AC, means it is multiplication of these two, and second element is defined as it is BC plus D. BC plus D means multiplication of these two plus second element. So this is how binary operation is defined. So you have to check whether this forms a group with respect to this operation or not. Okay, so S is defined like this, ordered pairs जिसमें first coordinate कभी 0 नहीं होगा, and star is defined like this. You have to check whether this forms a group or not. One by one you check the properties and let me know in the chat box. I will give you 10 minutes for this one. So it is 1:17 in my clock, so I will start the solution at 1:27. Okay, you start by yourself, and one by one when you complete the properties you can let me know in the chat box. पेन और नोट लेके बैठे हो ना सबके सब? मैथ्स की क्लास में अभी ऐसे ही बैठना है आपको. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दिस थिंग्स.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, A and B both belongs to R square.
Vansh, are you saying something?
A and B both belongs to R square.
Yeah. Sorry?
A comma B both belongs to R square.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Once.
Yes.
You said that A comma B both belongs to R square. A and B are real numbers and A comma B is belonging to R square.
Okay.
Okay. A and B तो real number है और condition क्या रखी है कि first coordinate है, that is A must not be 0.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. वन बाय वन जिनकी सारी प्रॉपर्टीज़ चेक होती जा रही है वो अपना स्टेटस चैट बॉक्स में दे सकते हैं कि क्लोजर सेटिस्फाइड, सेकेंड वन एसोसिएटिविटी सेटिस्फाइड, लाइक दैट. Okay, good. Very good. बाकी सब लोग ट्राई कर रहे हो या नहीं कर रहे हो? बाकी सब ऐसे ही बैठे हैं कि मैडम सॉल्यूशन करवाएंगे तब करेंगे, हैं? ओके, गुड. साथ में जितना करते जाओगे आपके टॉपिक्स उतने ही क्लियर होते जाएंगे. सो इट विल बी बेनिफिशियल टू यू पीपल. और फिर एक बार अगर वो बर्डन बढ़ा तो वो बढ़ता ही जाएगा, बढ़ता ही जाएगा. ओके, वेरी गुड. निधि, अंशु, अर्पण, विवेक, वेद हैज डन. वेरी गुड विवेक. Very good, Krish. Oh, very good. Raj has done with the example. Very good. Vatsal, fine. Very good, Braj. Okay. Very good. मैथमेटिकल आंसर्स कैसे देने आपको समझ में आ गया. वेरी गुड अक्षर. Bhavya has also proved. Arpan done. Ravi done. Manan done. Very good. Hard. जिन्होंने आज का एग्जाम्पल कर लिया उन लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा कि बाइनरी ऑपरेशन कैसे अप्लाई करना है, कैसे वो ग्रुप बनता है. वेरी गुड. जय, नील, श्रुति. ओके, 2 minutes लेफ्ट. फाइन. Those who are done with the closure and associativity, check for the existence of identity and inverse, because these two properties are interesting for this example. Identity और inverse कैसे change होता है operation के साथ, that you come to know with this binary operation. Very good. Bhavya, Bhavya or Bhavya, I don't know. 33 number, it is Bhavya or Bhavya?
Bhavya, ma'am.
Okay, I don't know, so that is why. Fine, Bhavya. Niyam has done. Very good, Raj. Okay, let us start with the solution now. I am sharing my paint screen. You just let me know. Are you able to see? Paint screen, let me use the whiteboard today. Very good. Are you able to see my whiteboard? Are you able to see my paint screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
I don't want to use that whiteboard. I will try it later on. So here you are given the set S, and it is class of all ordered pair A comma B, where you have put the condition that first coordinate must not be equal to 0 and they are real numbers. So A, B are real numbers. So this is a subset of actually R2. Can anybody tell me what this geometrical represent this set will be? Geometrical representation of this set?
Straight line.
Which kind of straight line? Which kind of straight line it will be? Anyone? Yes. Who is this? Vivek?
Parallel to y-axis.
Parallel to y-axis. How it will be parallel to y-axis? Okay,
Because
just let
no,
me
no,
know. हाँ हाँ बोलिए.
नहीं, wrong है, wrong है.
Wrong है. Okay. Just let me
मैं-
know कि अगर yes.
A does not equal to 0, मतलब A जो A है तो वहाँ कट डॉटेड लाइन होगी और सभी R जो भी होगी वो सभी मतलब जो हम लेस देन और 0 के लिए जो ग्राफ ड्रॉ करते हैं ना ऐसे मतलब
A not equal to 0 बट A क्या है यहाँ पर?
x कोऑर्डिनेट.
हाँ तो x कोऑर्डिनेट अगर 0 होता तो वो क्या होता?
तो पूरी x एक्सिस.
पूरी x एक्सिस.
यस.
x is
अरे
equal
सॉरी
to 0
y
means
एक्सिस
x axis.
y
Y
एक्सिस.
axis. So A is equal to 0 means it will represent the y axis. That is this one. और
Yes.
अभी ये कंडीशन नहीं है, मतलब a is not equal to 0, तो आपके कोई भी जो ऑर्डर्ड पैर ले रहे हो वो ये लाइन पे नहीं होंगे. That means it is elsewhere. So either this part or this part. That is what your S representation is. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
एवरीवन. सो हम क्या चेक कर रहे हैं? आपने एक एलिमेंट यहाँ से ले लिया, यहाँ से ले लिया, तो उनका बाइनरी ऑपरेशन स्टार अप्लाई करोगे तो वो आप वापस आपको एस में मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा. दैट इज व्हाट आवर टुडेज एम इज. विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी, एसोसिएटिविटी के 3 एलिमेंट ले लिए तो उनका ऑपरेशन भी आपको एस में मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा. सॉरी उनका राइट हैंड साइड और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सेम होगा या नहीं, आइडेंटिटी एस में मिलेगा या नहीं, इनवर्स एस में मिलेगा या नहीं. सो दिस शेडेड पोर्शन इज योर एस. So let me consider first to check whether this is a group or not. So I will check 4 properties, and first property I have to check whether it is a closure or not. For the closure property I have to consider 2 elements from the set S. Once I consider 2 elements from the S, by default I have the condition that first element is not equal to 0. That means I can say A and C, that is the first coordinates, are never 0. And the second condition, A, B, C, D all are real number only. Okay. So let us start with the binary operation A comma B star C comma D. So if you see the definition, how it is defined, this is defined as first coordinate, that is multiplication of first coordinate, that is AC, and then multiplication of this two plus second coordinate. So it is BC plus D. This is how star is defined as. This is already given in your what you can say the question, that star is defined like this only, and we want to check whether this will belong to set S or not. तो पहले तो A, B, C, D सारे real numbers है, तो AC real number होगा, yes. B, C plus D will be also the real number, yes. So this property is satisfied. Then if A is different from 0, C is different from 0, then its product will be also different from 0. क्योंकि आपका A कोई रियल नंबर है जो 0 नहीं है, C जो है वो रियल नंबर है 0 नहीं है, तो उसका प्रोडक्ट भी 0 नंबर नहीं ही हो सकता. क्यों? क्योंकि AC कब 0 होगा? Either A is 0 or C is 0 or both are 0. So none of this condition is satisfied. Therefore I can say first coordinate will be never equal to 0. And hence can I say now this is the element of S only. क्यों? क्योंकि S के लिए पहले तो कोऑर्डिनेट पेयर चाहिए, वी हैव द कोऑर्डिनेट पेयर. सेकेंड कंडीशन, फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट है और वो डिफरेंट फ्रॉम 0 होना चाहिए, तो यहाँ पे AC डिफरेंट फ्रॉम 0, एंड जो सारे कोऑर्डिनेट्स है वो रियल नंबर होने चाहिए, तो AC इज रियल नंबर, BC plus D इज ऑल्सो रियल नंबर. सो ऑल द प्रॉपर्टी to belong to this set is satisfied, and hence I can say closure property is satisfied. The second property is associativity. So for the associativity, here I am considering the third element. देखिए closure के लिए हमें दो elements चाहिए. Associativity we need 3 elements. So I am considering A, B, C, D, and third element E, F in S. So here I have to put the condition A, C, E is not equal to 0. A, B, C, D, E, F all are real numbers. Okay, so let us check for the associativity. So A, B star, first LHS I am considering C, D and its association with E, F. So let us apply first star on this. So the already I have considered definition that it is AC, BC plus D. It is how defined as, means multiplication of this two element. Second coordinate is multiplication of this two plus this element, star E, F. तो इसका application of star क्या होगा? So it is multiplication of this two element. So it is A, C, E. Then second element यहाँ पर देखिए B, C plus second element. So यहाँ पर this element plus this element. So what it will be? B, C plus D into E plus F. This is the crucial point of the binary operation. It must be clear to all of you. So simplification will be A, C, E. अगर यहाँ पे किसी को डाउट है तो वो अनम्यूट करके अभी मुझे पूछ सकते हैं. B, C, E plus D, E plus F. This is what the LHS is. And if you consider the RHS also, RHS means it is now A, B star, C, D star, EF. Then also you will get the same answer as this one. That can I leave it up to you for homework?
Yes, ma'am.
आप चेक कर लेना please. You will get the same RHS as LHS. So associativity property is also satisfied. Okay. From this I am directly concluding that this is the RHS and you will get the same answer. So LHS is equal to RHS and therefore associativity holds true. So next is identity element. For the identity element I will consider E as the identity element. और ये जो identity element है वो कहाँ से होना चाहिए? Set S में से होना चाहिए. तो S के elements कैसे हैं? तो it is of the form ordered pair. So for the ordered pair I can consider E1, E2 as one element. And if this is the identity element, it belongs to set S. That is what the condition. And if it is belonging to the set S, my E1 should not be 0. That is what the condition for S is. You can see over here. कि फर्स्ट कोऑर्डिनेट है वो 0 नहीं होना चाहिए और दोनों एलिमेंट जो है वो रियल नंबर ही होने चाहिए. तो E1 एंड E2 हैज़ टू बी रियल नंबर एंड E1 जो भी आपको मिलता है दैट हैज़ नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. So let us check whether what this identity we will get as. So for the identity we have the definition or the condition is A star E is same as A and it should be same as E star E as well. Okay, so I am starting with this property A star E. Oh sorry, I have to consider A comma B as an element of S. Sorry for this one. So it should be same as A comma B here also. And it should be here also A comma B. Sorry for this one. So I am starting with this LHS. So A comma B star E1 comma E2. So when you apply the star, what is the output will be? Of course you have already the RHS as that element itself, that is A comma B. So how this binary operation star is defined? First coordinate is product of this two, that means it is AE1 comma second coordinate is defined as this into this plus second element. So B E1 plus E2 is equal to AB. So left hand side is also order pair, right hand side is also order pair. They are same, so they are coordinate wise same, and coordinate wise same. That means you will get AE1 is equal to A and BE1 plus E2 is equal to B. So since A is different from 0, I can eliminate it from both of this side. So E1 is equal to 0. And if E1 is equal to 0, this equation will be reduced to B plus E2 is equal to B. So E2 will be 0. So now you have your identity that E is equal to E1, E1 is 1, comma E2, E2 is 0. So this is what your identity is. It belong to the set S? That we have to check. To belonging to the set S, it must be ordered pair. So yes, it is ordered pair. Both of those coordinates must be a real number. 1 and 0 are real numbers, so they are real number. The another condition is first coordinate must not be equal to 0. So here 1 is the first coordinate and it is not equal to 0. So it is belonging to the set S only. And you can check for this also, that when you consider E star A comma B, you will get A comma B only. So now the existence of inverse element. So for the inverse element, let me consider suppose inverse as C comma D, and C comma D हमें find out करना है so that whether it belongs to S or not, such that which condition is satisfied, that A comma B star C comma D has to be the identity element. Identity element, that means it is E1 comma E2. So here we have just found that identity element is nothing but 1 comma 0. So let us apply the binary operation over here. So binary operation is AC comma BC plus D. So AC comma BC plus D is equal to 1 comma 0. So comparing the coordinates, we have AC is equal to 1. So C, our aim is to find out C. So C here 1 upon A. A is not equal to 0. A we have chosen from set S. Set S means A is not equal to 0 and A is not equal to 0. So C is well defined quantity. Second condition is BC plus D is equal to 0 and C is nothing but 1 upon A. So therefore I can say D is minus B upon A. So here you have the inverse element. What is this inverse element will be? Inverse element C comma D is nothing but 1 upon A and minus B upon A. A is different from 0, so these two are well defined real numbers. A is real number, so 1 upon A is real number. B is real number, so minus B upon A is also real number. And A is not equal to 0 and A is never infinity because it is a finite real number. So this coordinate will be never 0. Hence I can say this inverse element will be also belonging to the set S only, and hence this will form a group, right? Now let us check whether it will be a commutative group or not. I am just considering this, what you can say, A comma B star C comma D. That is, we have considered output is AC comma BC plus D. So now we wanted to check the commutativity. So for the commutativity, I have to consider C comma D star A comma B. If these two are same, then we can say group is commutative, otherwise not. So how this is defined? First multiplication of these two, first coordinate, that is it is CA comma, it is this into this plus second coordinate. So it is BA plus B. So here you get the difference. See, A into C or C into A both will be same because they are real number. But for different B, C and D value, BC plus D will be also different and BA plus B will be also different. So these two are not equal and therefore I can say this is not an abelian group. It is abelian, sorry, it is a group but not an abelian group. Is this point clear to everyone? Please write the answer in the chat box. And those who have done with the example, they can verify their answers too. Many of you have already written the answers and they are correct as well. Okay, very good. Very good that you find out. Okay. Fine. So let us see the solution now. Yes, thank you. All of you have understood it very well. So it will be a good. Okay. So right now I am presenting my screen. Are you able to see my presentation screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. So this is what the example we have considered over here, that it is defined like this. Associativity, RHS I have left over. See, this is how it is defined. This into this, comma, this into this plus F. So it is D into F, and finally the outcome is same as LHS over here also. So this is the associativity property holds true. Identity 1 comma 0 inverse 1 upon A into comma minus B upon A. So this is what the group is, and it is not an abelian group, though it is not written in the PPT, but we have already discussed that this example that it is not an abelian group. Okay, so from this examples, what is the algebraic structure, what is the group, and how this binary operations will be differ from the standard operations, as well as what is the inverse with respect to binary operation and what one will be the identity element with respect to binary operation. Up to this concepts are clear to everyone, that is what I am assuming. And now we will go for the next concept. Yes.
यहाँ पे जो एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ इनवर्स है उसमें स्टेटमेंट क्या है कि a कॉमा b स्टार c कॉमा d इक्वल्स टू 1 कॉमा 0। तो ये तो हो गया, बट जब राइट हैंड साइड पे है c कॉमा d इंटू a कॉमा b।
हाँ, तो इसकी बात कर रहे हैं ना?
हाँ मैम, तो
हाँ.
अब
हाँ जी विवेक, am I audible to you? Vivek, are you there? 55 roll number. No.
हेलो,
There is some. Vivek, are you there?
हाँ मैम, अभी वो नेट थोड़ा हो गया था।
हाँ जी, बोलिए, क्वेश्चन क्या था आपका?
मैम, तो राइट हैंड साइड पे जो है c कॉमा d इंटू a कॉमा b, तो उसमें तो हमारा एक्सप्रेशन अलग बन रहा है ना?
ओके, मीन्स योर क्वेश्चन इज कम्यूटेटिविटी सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हो रही है, तो ये एक्सप्रेशन हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? दैट इज व्हाट योर क्वेश्चन इज?
हाँ, क्योंकि ये पूरा इक्वालिटी दोनों साइड पे ना मैम, कंटिन्यूअस इक्वल टू जा रहा है। मतलब अगर 1,0 में हटा दूं बीच में से, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इक्वल्स टू राइट हैंड साइड होना चाहिए।
क्यों हटाना है आपको? आप नहीं हटा सकते ऐसे, क्योंकि इसी के बेस के ऊपर वो दोनों कनेक्टेड है। ये हटाओगे तो दे आर नॉट कनेक्टेड नाउ, क्योंकि ये आइडेंटिटी के रिस्पेक्ट में आपको ये इनवर्स एलिमेंट मिल रहा है। समझ रहे हो आप? सो ये आइडेंटिटी है तो इस इनवर्स का एग्जिस्टेंस है। अगर ये आइडेंटिटी ही हम हटा देंगे तो आप इनवर्स कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे? एंड इन दैट केस यू विल नॉट गेट द कम्यूटेटिविटी एज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड। ये आइडेंटिटी नहीं रहेगी तो दिस इज जस्ट अ कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी where two elements we have chosen from S and they are not same, तो आपको तब ये equation equal नहीं मिलेगा, but this are same with respect to this only, this identity element. Is that okay? तो आप ऐसे हटा नहीं सकते हो। Is this okay now, Vivek?
हाँ मैम।
देखिए, आप ये एग्जांपल से भी देखोगे तो कैसे ऑपरेशन, ये प्रॉपर्टी मैं ले रही हूँ, तो ये बाइनरी ऑपरेशन कैसे डिफाइंड होगा? सो इट इज CA कॉमा, अब ऑपरेशन कैसे अप्लाई होगा, तो इट इज BA प्लस B, सो इट इज DA प्लस B इज इक्वल टू 1,0. तो ऑलरेडी आपके पास है ना ये 1,0, सो यहाँ से आपको C क्या मिलेगा, तो इट इज़ 1/A, और C 1/A मिल गया, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा अभी, DA प्लस B इज इक्वल टू 0. अब यहाँ पे C का यूज ही नहीं होगा, डायरेक्टली यू कैन राइट D इज इक्वल टू -B/A ओनली, and you will get the same inverse for this case also. तो ये आइडेंटिटी के रिस्पेक्ट में वो दोनों इक्वल है, अदरवाइज दे आर नॉट इक्वल बिकॉज कम्यूटेटिविटी प्रॉपर्टी इज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड. इज इट क्लियर?
हाँ मैम.
हाँ जी,
यस मैम.
ओके फाइन. So right now I am presenting now. So now group structure is clear to everyone. So I wanted to discuss certain definitions further. So what are these definitions? So these three definitions I am going to consider. First one is groupoid, semi-group and monoid. So let me recall. Group जब भी आप चेक करते हो तो आपके पास एक स्ट्रक्चर, एल्जेब्रिक स्ट्रक्चर होना चाहिए जो एल्जेब्रिक स्ट्रक्चर चार प्रॉपर्टीज को सेटिस्फाइड करे. First one is closure, second one is associativity, third one is existence of identity and existence of inverse. अगर ये चारों की चारों प्रॉपर्टीज सेटिस्फाइड होती है तो उस एल्जेब्रिक स्ट्रक्चर को हम लोग ग्रुप कहेंगे. वेयर जो वो एल्जेब्रिक स्ट्रक्चर A, स्टार हम ले रहे हैं तो उसमें A शुड बी नॉन एम्प्टी सेट एंड स्टार शुड बी द बाइनरी ऑपरेशन. दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव एज्यूम्ड. अगर ये प्रॉपर्टीज़ को अलग अलग ग्रुप में इकट्ठा किया जाए, अलग अलग कॉम्बिनेशन में इकट्ठा किया जाए, देन दे हैव द डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ notion or nomenclature, and how these are defined, that is what I am going to discuss right now. So first one is groupoid. So what is groupoid? Suppose G is a non-empty set and here you can consider star instead of O. Some of the reference books used O as small o as operation. Okay, so they might be if you come across the reference book material, then it may be happen that small o can be written as operation, binary operation. So here you can consider right now the star. Star is a binary operation, then G star is called groupoid if star is closed with respect to G, means A और B अगर G के एलिमेंट है तो A स्टार B also G के एलिमेंट होने चाहिए. तो कोई नॉन एम्प्टी सेट है, स्टार बाइनरी ऑपरेशन है, क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाइड होती है, सिर्फ क्लोजर, देन इट इज कॉल्ड अ ग्रुपोइड. Second definition is a non-empty set G together with the binary operation G star is a semi-group if it is associative. Means closure के साथ अभी आपको associativity भी मिल जाती है, then that structure is called the semi-group. And third one is if a non-empty set G together with a binary operation G star is called monoid if it satisfies following three properties: closure, associativity and existence of identity. Means कोई भी स्ट्रक्चर, एल्जेब्रिक स्ट्रक्चर आपको दिया है G स्टार, तो वो क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाइड, सिर्फ क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाइड करता है, देन इट इज ग्रुपोइड इफ इट सेटिस्फाइड टुगेदर विथ क्लोजर द सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी एसोसिएटिविटी, तो उसको सेमी ग्रुप, एंड थर्ड एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट, देन इट इज सेड टू बी मोनोइड. और अगर फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी जो है दैट इज एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ इनवर्स एलिमेंट, तो वो आपका पूरा हो जाएगा ग्रुप. तो ग्रुप जो है वो चारों की चारों प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाइड करता है, बट उसमें से फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाइड हुई सिर्फ फर्स्ट वाली, देन इट इज ग्रुपोइड. फर्स्ट टू प्रॉपर्टीज सेमी ग्रुप एंड थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी इज ऑल्सो सेटिस्फाइड, देन इट इज मोनोइड. So every group is groupoid, semi group and monoid, but converse did not be true. Right? So is this this definitions are clear to everyone? Please write the answer in the chat box. Then I can move for the example. Very good. Okay, let us see this via one example so that your idea about this definition gets clear. So here you have the example. You are given the set of integer z with the operation defined by a star b is equal to a plus b plus 1. मीन्स किसी भी दो इंटीजर को लोगे तो आपका स्टार ऑपरेशन कैसे डिफाइन हुआ है, तो उन दोनों का एडिशन विद द एडिशन विथ यूनिटी 1. सो आपको चेक करना है कि इज इट अ ग्रुपॉइड, इज इट अ सेमी ग्रुप एंड इट इज अ मोनॉइड और नॉट. तो आप अपने खुद चेक करना चाहेंगे या आई विल डायरेक्टली स्टार्ट विद द सॉल्यूशन? Do you want to check by yourself? Please give me your opinion in the chat box. You want to try it by yourself, yes or no? Okay. જાતે કરી લેશું. સિદ્ધરાજભાઈ આયા. ઓકે, ચલો અહીંયા કરો, પછી હું તમને સોલ્યુશન ડિસ્કશન કરીને ક્લાસ આપણે બંધ કરીએ. જાતે ટ્રાય કરી લો. ચલો ફટાફટ મને આન્સર કહો. એક કામ કરીએ, હાઉ મેની સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ આર ધેર? જસ્ટ લેટ મી નો. ટોટલ નંબર ઓફ સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ આર 80. તો 3 પ્રોપર્ટી છે, બરાબર? તો હવે 2 to 30 નંબરમાં જેટલા આવતા હોય, યુ ચેક વેધર ઇટ ઇઝ મોનોઇડ ઓર નોટ. મોનોઇડ એટલે તમારે 3 પ્રોપર્ટી ચેક કરવાની આવશે. દેન 30 to 50 numbers, you check whether it is semi group or not. And 50 to 51 to 80 numbers, sorry, ક્યાં સુધી જાય છે તમારા ક્લાસમાં? 95 numbers. 95 સુધીના શું ચેક કરશે? It is a semi group as well as groupoid. And randomly I will ask to anybody. And those who are done with the property, they can write your answer in the chat box, whether it is groupoid or monoid or semi-group or does not hold. Very good. Oh. Oh, it is a group. Vansh has posed the question, it is a group or not? Though I have not asked it. Just you have to check the inverse element. Abelian group also you have checked, okay. As far as integers are concerned, they are very easy to handle. Yes, fine. Let us check one by one property, then we will stop. Okay, so what is the set we are given? That is the set of integer, and how the operation is defined, that addition of these two integer together with the plus 1. Okay, so let us check the closure property. Closure is, so for that I have considered two elements in the integer set. So a star b as already defined that it is a plus b plus 1. So A is integer, B is integer, so A plus B is also integer, together with its addition with 1 will be also an integer. So closure property is satisfied, therefore this is groupoid. So clap for those who are done with the groupoid property. Second one is semi-group. For the semi-group, we have to consider the associativity. So for that, I will consider 3 elements A, B, C. So A star B star C I have to consider. So A star B, first I will apply the definition over here, that it is A plus B plus 1, and then star with C. So further definition will be this plus 1. So it is A plus B plus 1 plus C plus 1. So it is C plus 2. I am directly writing. And A star B star C will be what? So it is A star, definition of B star C, that is B plus C plus 1, and that is equal to this plus 1. So A plus B plus C plus 2. So these two are same. So associativity also holds true. So closure plus associativity. So semi group is also true. And third one, monoid. For the monoid, closure, associativity and existence of identity element has to be true. So in that case, I have to consider E as the identity element. It has to belongs to the set of integer. So that will check, and for that this equation must be satisfied, and the same as E star A as well. So let me consider this one. So A star E means A plus E plus 1 is equal to A. So E is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 integer hai, of course, yes. Therefore, this is also holds true. Therefore, this is monoid 2. Okay, so groupoid, semi group और monoid तो मिल चुका. They were discussing about the group. तो group के लिए existence of inverse होना चाहिए. So let me consider C as suppose inverse element of A, then it should be same as E, and therefore it should be same as minus 1. So A plus C plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So C will be same as minus A minus 2. So A is integer, so minus A will be also an integer, minus 2 will be also integer, and therefore minus A minus 2 will be also an integer. So this is belonging to the set integer only. Therefore fourth property is also satisfied. Therefore this is a group, and then you have the question of commutativity or abelian. So this should hold true. So this is nothing but A plus B plus 1, and by definition this is B plus A plus 1, and integers are always commutative with respect to addition. Therefore I can write it as A plus B plus 1. So this 2 will be always same for all the integers. Therefore I can say it is commutative. Commutative property is also satisfied, and therefore this is an abelian group. Not only abelian, but the number of elements are infinite. So this is infinite abelian group. और जब group हो जाता है तो automatically groupoid, monoid, semi group तो होगा ही. So now the definition of group, groupoid, monoid, semi group are clear to everyone or not? Please write your answer in the chat box. Why I am asking this? Because today I am going to stop this group examples and group topic. Tomorrow will means in the next class we will go for the new topic pertaining to group only, but it will be altogether a different topic than this one. So that's why I am asking that if you have any confusion, then make it clear today itself. Okay. It is clear, fine. So today we will keep up to this only. Okay, so those who have not any doubt, they can leave the meeting, and those who have any doubt, they can unmute themselves. Fine. Many of you got the clearance about this group. Very good. Anyone has any doubt?
मैम आप ये पीपीटी कहाँ रखने वाले हो?
रखी ना मैंने. अब मैट्रिक्स तक की तो मैंने क्लास मटेरियल में रख दी, आपने देखा नहीं? मैंने फ्राइडे ही आई थिंक अपलोड कर दी थी. टीम्स में जाओगे ना आप, टीम्स
हाँ
में क्लास मटेरियल है.
मिला.
मिला ना? ओके. आई हैव अपलोडेड इट ऑन द फ्राइडे ओनली. अब जैसे जैसे टॉपिक्स होते जाएंगे साथ में, आई विल अपलोड इट फ्रीक्वेंटली. Any other question to anyone? If not, then I am leaving.
Ma'am, are you there?